Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 4a and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll almost all the way down to find digital well-being and parental controls. So right here we've got the graph that will show us for how long we've been using this device today. So as you can see, in my case it is almost 50 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings, then phone, camera, Play Store and other. We've got also unlocks and notifications count. And if you'd like to check some further details, you can tap inside the graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check and compare the screen time in particular days of the week. You can of course tap on them and scroll down to find more options, more details, because here we've got all of the apps listed with specific time spent on them. Moreover, you can also tap on the app, for example settings, and check the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. We can check it daily or hourly if you'd like to. Alright, so this is how it works. I also wanted to discuss ways to disconnect, not all of them, but one, app timers. So if you will decide that you're spending too much time on the specific app, you can always go to the app timers and set the boundary, let's say. So let's go to app timers and let's pretend that I'm spending too much time on the camera. So just find it and then tap on this hourglass icon next to it. And now we can decide for how long we would like to set the timer. So we can set it, for example, for 30 minutes, and it means that we can use the app for 30 minutes during a day, and after that the app will be blocked. We can also set it for 0 minutes, so it will be blocked right away without any kind of time to use it. As you can see, it is grayed out a little bit, and after trying to open it, our device will simply show us this information that the timer ran out. So I think that it is quite a nice option to at least try to limit the usage of, for example, social media or any other app in your device. Of course, you can turn it off just by tapping on this hourglass icon and tap on delete timer. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.